In this video, we will talk about how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. Method 1. Turn off Defender and Firewall. Click on the icon tray. Double-click Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll it down and click Manage Settings. Turn off all the protection settings showing on in here. After this, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Here you need to turn off all the network protections one by one. You simply need to click on it and turn off Microsoft Defender Firewall. Method 2. Turn off Defender with Task Manager. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Click on Details. Here you need to search for Security Health Services and Security Health Sistray. Right-click on both of them one by one and select End Task. By doing so, here you can see Windows Defender is not running. So that's how you can turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. See you in the next video.